Welcome to Tyco Tuesday. What we have here is a 63 Jaguar XKE Sports Coupe on a Tyco S chassis. Looks like something James Bond would have drove. That's the actual motor in there. There's not much room inside the interior. Bring it around here and we'll check this bad boy out. It's molded in color. It's red. That's all it is red. The whole thing is red. But she's pretty darn heavy. We'll put it on a dyno and I'll look it up in a book for you. Well, I guess that's all we're going to get out of it. Yeah, we'll let it warm up. Okay, there's the blue one right there, number 4. 63 Jaguar XKE Sports Coupe. Made first year 63. S622. That's the code for the car. It came in candy blue, butterscotch, red, which is what I have, candy red, black, turquoise, light blue metallic, and gold. 63 Jaguar XKE Sports Coupe. That looks like all she's going to do right there. Got nice new tires on it. Nice new silicones. It doesn't do anything when it's on low voltage. It's not a bad looking car. I'm going to take her apart so I can clean the body and this front one does not want to come off like the back one did. Yeah, there's the weight. You take on the side of that motor right there. Okay, we'll put a little oil on the worm driver. Just a little bit. Yep, we got her worked in. We're going to go ahead and put some Novus on this body. pretty shiny like it is, but we'll shine her up. Alright, let's put her back together. A little bit more. There we go. Okay. Let's take the bad boy over to the track and take her for a test drive. Looks pretty good. Not real fast, but got nice new silicones on it. Not too bad. Not bad at all. I think it's a pretty good race racing against an original T-Jet. One more lap. Yeah, she's got a little weight in her rear end, but she's still a little ass happy. Alright. There you have it, folks. 1963 Jaguar XKE Sports Coupe. Well, there you have it, folks. Pretty cool looking car. Nice and shiny. It's got nice new silicones on it. Tyco S. Made by Tyco, of course. Hope you guys like that. Pretty cool car. Kind of looks like a little bit like a 63 Corvette. Ain't got the split rear window, but kind of looks like the body a little bit. If you guys ain't subscribed, please do. I appreciate it. Leave me a message, comments, and yeah, hit the bell, get notified. Yeah, hit that bell. You'll know when my videos come out. Usually they come out 8 a.m. Tuesday. That's when this one will be out. At 8 a.m. Friday. And I go live Friday night, usually. You'll know if I'm going live or not. Last week I went live at 7. And I put down that I was going live at 8 o'clock. I was going to switch and go back to 8 o'clock, but that's too late. I'll go live 7 o'clock. 7:15 I'll put down. If I go live at 7:05, whenever I get ready, no big deal. If I'm a little early, then I'm a little early. Appreciate you guys coming in. I got 3 more pit kits, I think, and then I'll be done for the year. If you guys, I'm not buying any more pit kits. I ain't paying $20 bucks for them. I refuse. I could buy a brand new car for that much. So you guys can go to Hobby Lobby if you can get them for $12.95. Vans, Corvettes, whatever you can get. You want to send them to me? That's fine. Great. Send them. Send 1, 2, whatever you want. I will build it and I'll give it away. I'll mention your name here live. The last time, Joe sent them. Joey and Joey sent them. And I really appreciate that, Joey. And somebody else sent me 2 right before that, and I mentioned their name. I don't remember who it was now, though. But then I bought some myself. So, yeah. Joey sent me a whole box full of them. That was great. But, yeah. I got 3 more. And that's it. So, I appreciate it. You guys coming in. And we'll catch you guys Friday. Check out the video that's up here. I appreciate that too. Thank you. Bye.